Good morning from the village of Yerevan in the south of Armenia, where we begin our journey to the Wings of Tatev. Join me as we head south towards the border with Azerbaijan and Persia. Let's go. Welcome to Tatev, home of the world's longest non-stop double-track cable car, offering views over gorges, mountains and attractions such as the Devil's Bridge. Quite how much of that we're actually going to see, who knows. Didn't take long to find a friend. Okay, we have our tickets and we're ready to board. Are you glad you didn't wear shorts?
Yeah.
It's pretty cold up here. I think it's about 8 degrees, which is a drastic change from the 20-ish degrees that it's been in Yerevan most of the time we've been here. It's packed in like a London bus. Are you enjoying the views?
There's the view.
Well, that was the famous Wings of Tatev, and at about £13 for a ticket, I'd say it's probably imperative you check the weather before you come up here, but oh well, it's an experience. And now as we try not to fall over on this pretty dodgy path, we approach the Tatev Monastery, which we can see just about. I seem to have brought the English weather with me. We could be on the Yorkshire moors in February right now. Never mind. Rock, paper, scissors, loser goes down the hole. The wonderful views just keep coming. Well, I'm sure it's better when the sun's out. But that's going to be it from the monastery. We're going to go and look for fruit lavash and cognac and maybe cherry vodka now.
Gata, pachlava, jingle of hearts, yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Another day, another fruit to bash. We got kiwi this time, which I'm not actually convinced grows in Armenia, but it's pretty good. Let's get out of the rain for a bit. Okay, after a bit of lunch in the warm, we've descended out of the clouds. The bad news is, it's bloody cold down here. I think you can hear what we're heading to now. It's not going to take many guesses. This is Shaki, and we're heading to see the Shaki Waterfall. Off we go. Before I have to shout too loud over the waterfall, we're pretty much here now. So I'll complete this treacherous part of the walk and swing the camera around. It's bigger than I thought, and we don't need the rain because we're getting wet anyway. Okay, heading back to the car park now, where of course there's dogs. Our tour guide told us specifically, don't feed the dogs. So guess what I'm about to do? I hope they like chocolate biscuits. Quick update, he enjoys chocolate biscuits.
So if we take it as a type of grape, it's really very demanded for all wineries, generally in all Armenia. But the very great place for it to be cultivated, especially this region, this village.
Pomegranate wine. It's good, it tastes like juice. It's good. Yeah, it just tastes like juice.
Another one. It smells good, really. Yeah, it is.
Okay, now we have a raspberry wine. Is it going to be better than the pomegranate? What do you think?
I think probably.
Let's find out. I think it's better actually, yeah. They're both really good, the fruit ones. I'm not a wine drinker at all, but these fruit ones are really good. I think the final one is cherry wine. It smells good. And they said we had to drink this one last because it will ruin the flavours of the other ones. So here we go. Yeah, it literally tastes like juice. All of the fruit ones taste like juice to me, which is probably dangerous.
Yeah, but all of it.
Okay, after claiming to not like wine, we have in fact brought a bottle of wine, a nice raspberry flavour, so you learn something new every day. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you in the next one in Gyumri.